In this video, you will learn how to play I Am Not the Only One by Sam Smith using a simple open chord progression in the key of C. I'll give you the chords, strumming, a few licks and tricks, and finally, I'll show you how to use the capo to play this song in the original key using the same easy open chord sequence. For the intro and basically for the entire song, we will use this following chord progression. Using your thumb, you need to first pluck a bass note of each chord, followed with the 3 fingers plucking other corresponding strings. Thumb on a 5th string, and then 3 fingers on a strings 2, 3, and 4 2 times, and 1 pluck on a string 4. E, 2 plucks on all 4 strings 6, 4, 3, and 2. A minor, 1 pluck on a strings 5, 4, 3, and 2. F, 1 pluck on a 4, 3, and 2. All this repeats 3 times, and then in the 4th one, only C and G chords are played. It starts the same with a C, then G, 2 plucks on a string 6, 4, 3, 2, and then back to C. Believe it or not, you just figured out how to play the most part of the song, because this sequence with exactly the same strumming pattern will repeat over and over for the intro, verse, and the chorus. The only small difference starting in the 2nd verse will be this chord F sus 2G, which will be used instead of the G chord at the end of a sequence. For the verse 1, we will use the progression that we went through. And for the second one and all the following progressions that will repeat in the song, instead of G chord, we will be using this F sus 2G. Here is how you play this chord. As it is always following the C chord, and it's basically made of C with an added G bass note on a 6th string, 3rd fret, and the F note on a 4th string on a 3rd fret. 5th string is automatically muted, and we don't play 1st string as well. The bridge will be played using this order of the chords, and here's how you would strum in this alternating pattern. I find this way of strumming that I just showed you the closest to resemble that piano song feeling, but of course, you are free to try the other more guitar-like ways of strumming. Here are some easy useful licks by lifting one of the fingers and letting that string sound open while playing each chord, or adding an extra note, for instance on a C chord. And the last but not least important thing is to talk about the original key of the song, which happens to be an F major. And if you want to play it in this key, you definitely need to find a better way than using those bar chords. And here comes the capo. For that, we need to find the F note on the 5th string, which is here on the 8th fret, and then make it to be the 3rd fret by shortening our fretboard all the way to the 5th fret. Guys, please let me know in the comments how do you like this format of the tutorial. Click that like button if you do so, and don't forget to subscribe. Also let me know what song would you like to learn next, and again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video.